Hello! Oh my gosh, where are we? I'll tell you where we are. We are in a very echoey, hello, new kitchen. We are in a very unboxed, slightly rustic, new house kitchen. In all seriousness, folks, welcome to the new house. It's gonna be a bit rough for the next couple of weeks. This is the current kitchen that's in here. We've got a random unit. We've got a random unit down there for no reason whatsoever. We've got boxes still there. We've got no flooring in here. Although we have got a really funky fireplace that I just did the other day. It's an LED fire, and that's all fake. I really like it. Ooh. Seriously, welcome. Oh my gosh. We're sort of in. The pugs are down there. I don't know if they like it down there. But we are in our new house. This is not a house tour video. This is one of a first handful of videos that we're doing here in the new kitchen. That's going to be, as I say, very rustic. Okay, let me listen to this echo. Oh. But I wanted to keep my videos going, and I know you guys just love it when it's authentic anyway. This cooker, it's lovely, but we're getting rid of it, and we're having big wall units across there with ovens in the top, like nice and high. And in fact, this worktop, it's going to actually come from this side. So with the sink there, it'll kind of look like the old school videos that we used to do where it teed off from the sink. And I really liked that setup. We're going to try and match that. And just for reference... Monkeys!
Hello.
You alright, guys?
Yes.
Girls, we're just watching telly. There you go. We're kind of like in our old house, right? Loops back around. But we're going to have laminate flooring all throughout. Right, enough. I am sorry about this echo, but it will reduce down once it's all kitted out, so just bear with it. And I think it's going to make us appreciate a bit more about what this kitchen will be. We've got some familiar faces: Homer, the clock, bananas. A couple of days ago, I was sent a recipe, and it's like, Barry, you're looking pretty frantic at the moment. Why don't you try this out whenever you get 5 minutes, whether you do it on the channel or not? And I was like, yeah, this is a donut in a mug. And the donut in a mug excited me so much that I actually invested in a new mug. New house, new mug. So let's do it. All right, vlog camera, I am doing my first video. And for those of you that don't watch the vlogs, if you want to see what happened more behind the scenes of the house move, check them out. It's been pretty good. Join the secret vlog club. Mug. First thing that's going in, I've just weighed it out, is 40 grams of butter. We're just going to put that in the microwave to melt the butter for about 30 seconds. Nice. It's so hard, I actually don't know where anything is. I'm trying to find my little clear bowls to separate an egg. Don't worry, I'll sort it. I found a ramekin. Egg yolk. Let's not worry about that. Tablespoon and a half of milk. All right. 2 tablespoons of sugar. Oh, that looks really weird. Just give that a mix. We've got one of these like weird cupboard things. It spins around. As you can see, we're not really that unpacked yet, but the flour's in here somewhere. So into the mug goes half a teaspoon of baking powder, heaped teaspoon of cinnamon, and 4 tablespoons of flour. Give this all a big mix together gently so that I don't spill any out the mug, which is probably standard normally for me, but we're doing all right so far. Wasn't too happy with how that was looking. It was a bit rough around the edges. So I added a little bit more milk and really kept mixing it hard with a fork. And now it's gone a lot smoother. So we're good with this. That is the dough for our doughnut ready. But we want to put a filling in there. So you could put like Nutella in there. They do, there was a Reese's paste that I saw in the supermarket the other day. Bounty, double decker, lemon curd. But we're going to go for some jam. That's quite a British thing. Jam donuts. I love this echo in the room. Don't worry, it will get much better once we're finished, honest. What are you doing? Getting a drink? There we go, that's Chloe getting a drink. I'm getting a good splodge of this jam. Putting it in the middle. And we need some batter to encase it. So I'm just lifting that batter around it to encase it in. Taking some excess from the sides and just drooping it over. Just trying to seal in the jam. There we go. That looks good. I like that. I'm putting that in the microwave for 1 minute. My microwave is an 800 watt one. If yours is more powerful, it might take a little less. Did you see that? It's overflowing a little bit. So you want to try and keep on top of that. And do it in blasts. Oh my gosh. What's going on? Look at that. Right, I'm going to try and lift it back in. See, that part of it there is actually cooked, but this other bit here, it's a bit droopy. It's also a little longer than a minute as well. This would be like 1 minute 30, I think. Oh my gosh! What? Look. That does not look very appealing, does it? I'm gonna make it again. I'm gonna rush those steps, and I'll put a little less in this time. Sorry about this.
You can't keep going back there.
What's going on? Daddy daycare. A little bit less jam this time, I'm thinking. I might have got a bit excited with my mixture. I might have put too much in. I am like 2% more confident now. All right, all right. I feel like we've got a little bit more control. Oh, that is nearly there. That is good. All I'm looking for is that top to be nice and firm, not wet like it was before. This is teasing me. It's going to need a full 90, I think. Maybe a little extra. Just a little longer. Oh, yes. You probably can't hear that, but it's very hollow now, so I know it's cooked through. All right, I think we just about did it. It is insanely hot right now. Don't eat it straight away because it will taste a bit like a McDonald's apple pie, you know, when you bite into it and yeah, just let it stand, but we're gonna put some sugar, classic donut coating on top with some extra jam. So it won't look the most attractive at the moment, but it's amazing how just a little bit of sugar can kind of disguise it. Yeah, I went a bit crazy with sugar. The new kitchen in here, ideally, is going to look as much like our old one, so we're going to have like oak worktops again. I'm excited for that. Never realised I'd be excited about worktop, but that's kind of like my life now. Let's just finish with a big blob of jam on top. Oh, yes. Looks more like a cake. But the proof is in the taste. Sat down at my table. Let's try this. All right. I'm really intrigued to see what this is going to be like. Oh my gosh. Ah. I'll try and get the jam. Can you see the jam? You see that in there? Oh, yes. Oh my gosh. It could be the sugar on the top masking it. And I think I'm wanting it to taste more like a donut than it actually is. But it works. It's really, really good. So if you do make this and it looks like half full with the batter, don't worry about it because the rising agent will really help it rise and not spill out like our first attempt. But hey, that's what the Virgin Kitchen's all about, right? There we are then, folks. First few weeks videos in this kitchen are probably gonna be a little bit simplistic like this just because I have so much to do. But I just didn't wanna like just go away. I wanted to maintain videos. If I need to take it like... If I need to take a day or two off, I'll let you know, but I think it's manageable, something like this. So it will get less echoey. The kitchen is just temporary at the moment. It will look absolutely gorgeous in here, I promise, and we are going to have so much fun. So thank you for all the kind messages on social media. If you don't follow me at My Virgin Kitchen, please consider doing so for more behind the scenes bits and bobs. Let me know down below what you want to see next, and remember to subscribe for regular recipes and food fun. Kids, do you like the new house?
Yeah.
And do you like that donut thing?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
You can be honest.
It's nice.